Okay, so let us proceed with the lesson 4 of the preliminaries, the divisibility. So what is divisibility? So from the word itself, divisibility rules helps us work out whether a number is exactly divisible by another number. Like for example, if there are no remainders on that particular number. So we have here a problem that we need to actually answer. First is the number 621 prime or composite? So we will be using this method. Find all factors of a whole number to determine if it is a prime or composite. Now we use the procedure listed below. First, find all factors of the number. Second, if the number has only two factors, the 1 and itself, then of course this 621 number will be prime. And then if the number has more than two factors, then of course it's the opposite, the composite. Okay, so the given procedure works very well for small numbers. So that particular three procedure that we have read earlier are only applicable for small numbers. However, it would be time consuming to find all factors of 621. Thus, we need a better method for determining if a large number is prime or composite. So every number has 1 and itself as a factor. Thus, if we could find one factor of 621 other than 1 and itself, then we could prove that 621 is composite. So one way to find factors of large numbers quickly is to use test for divisibility. So these are the definition of divisibility. First, one whole number is divisible by another number if after dividing, the remainder will be 0. Example, 18 is divisible by 9. Since 18 divided by 9 is equals to 2, with a remainder of 0, then that is divisibility. Second, if one whole number is divisible by another number, then the second number is a factor of the first number. Example, since 18 is divisible by 9, so 9 is a factor of 18. Another definition, a divisibility test is a rule for determining whether one whole number is divisible by another. So it is a quick way to find factors of large numbers. Example, this divisibility test for 3. If the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So we can test for divisibility by 3. So, like for example, as you can see on the table above, to quickly find a factor of 621 other than 1 and itself, the sum of the digits of 621 is 6 plus 2 plus 1, or that is 9. Okay, so that means there is another factor in 621. So that means 621 is not a prime number but instead a composite number. So 621 is divisible by 3 since the sum of its digits, 9, is divisible by 3. So since 621 is divisible by 3, 3 is a factor of 621. Then since the factor of 621 includes 1, 3, and 621, so we have proven that 621 has more than 2 factors, and since 621 has more than 2 factors, so we can prove that it is composite and not prime.